Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor T-Rex, a professor at daytime. At the same time, I do things like this one. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some important information that we need to know about the Dpet token. So first, I have here the recent chart of the token. Ayan. I already added an indicator na RSI. Ayan. So in my other video, I've shown on the divergence no I've seen in this chart no ni Dpet token, and it was really expected na talagang bababa yung kanyang price because of the divergence that is present no or that was present during that time. So ito yung divergence na sinasabi ko. Ayan. So from here, ipa-plot natin. Ayan. And then if you will check the RSI, okay. Ako na personally, whenever I plot the divergence or whenever I look for the divergence, I always make sure the the RSI is at oversold or overbought. Ayan, kasi mas madali siyang makita, you know. And itong divergence na ito, guys, is actually a sign no, that the price is going to go down, and it really went down no at $0.4. So this was the time na nagkaroon ng hack no yung Dpet na to, na-hack yung Dpet token. Ayan. So, as of now, nasa $1.9 siya. So, if you will try to add the Fibonacci, ayan. Let's see no kung nasaan na siya ngayon sa golden ratio ni Fib. Okay. As of now, okay, nasa 0.618 pa rin siya. Okay, just an update. Nasa 0.618 pa rin yung price ngayon ni Dpet, no? It actually went down. Ayan. It hit the 0.5 na Fib, but since this is a strong support, itong 0.5 natin is a strong support, the candles were not able to break this line, no? And it just bounced. Tapos bumalik na naman siya papasok kay 0.618. Ayan. And then, ngayon, naka-maintain yung kanyang price. It's actually at 1.94 na. Ayan. In range ngayon no, yung market ni Dpet. So is this the best time to buy Dpet coins? Well, personally, no, this is one of the best times to buy. If kasi itong 0.618, medyo mahirap, ano na to strong support, no? And mahirap na itong i-break ulit. No? Tapos, kailangan niya ulit i-break itong 0.5 for the price to go down until ma-hit niya ulit yung pinaka all-time low niya na $0.4. Ayan. So, kailangan niya munang mabasag si 0.5 at saka si 0.382 na lines. Ayan. At saka itong next na support bago niya ma-hit ulit, bago bumalik ulit sa $0.4. So, medyo malayo-layong biyahe pa yan siya. And because of the hype no ngayon sa may Defi pet, lumalaki yung demand ng token. That's why the price is expected to go higher. Ayan. Pero hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit. So, kapag guys, na-hit niya itong line na, itong $2.2 na price ni Dpet coin, expect that it's really going to hit $2.6 sooner. Okay? Because this is another major resistance. So kapag yan na-break na naman ng candle, it's really going to go up. Pero, we have to take note of the divergence, no? So always check for the divergence. Kapag meron kang na-spot na divergence and it signals for a price to go down, then careful. Ayan, baka maipit no, yung ano mo, yung binili mong coin, mamahalan ka without knowing that the price pala ng coin is about to go down. And so you have to check for the divergence, no? But if it reaches, ayun, $2.6, ito yung all-time high niya. Kapag itong price na to na break niya, at pumasok siya 2.7, 2.8, it's gonna make another record. No? It's gonna make another all-time high of the token. So, habang nasa 0.618 pa siya, I guess you can start no, buying coins if you want to, if you have the money, and if you have the money that you are willing to lose. So, yan yung aking analysis lang when it comes to the price of the token. So again, ayan, nasa 0.618 siya guys, naka-range yung Dpet natin. And then, wait no, for it to hit 2.2 or more than 2.2, let's say $2.3. And if that happens, the price will really go up. No? And if it hits again another price na let's say $2.7, the price is going to create another all-time high na record. Ayan. So, let's have a background information lang about the Dpet token and how amazing this token has been. Ayan, so ito siya. This was on July 5, 6 days ago lang. 7 days ago. So, this is the price. $0.7 pa lang siya. Imagine. And the market cap was only 8 million. And then trading volume was only 493,000. Volume market cap 0.055. Ayan. And actually yung kanilang prediction, no? Ayan. They had a prediction about the price of the token. Saan yung kanilang prediction? Nabasa ko yun kanina. Price predictions. Ayan, no? So, the price of Defi tokens is around 0.78446 USD. And it is predicted that token price will be around 0.76, no? Bumaba nga siya by the end of 2021. And then estimated nila by 2022, the price of the token will become 0.88. Tapos, in the next 3 years, it's going to be $5. So, kita nyo naman guys, I did not expect actually no, that the price of the token would hit $1.9 no, in the market. Am I right? 1.9 ba yung pinakamataas niya? No, 2.6. No? Yung kanyang pinakamataas na price. Ayan. So, yan yung nangyari. Conservative pa yung kanilang prediction dito, no? But, in just, how many months or actually how many days lang talaga tumaas agad yung kanyang value in the market. And they're expecting that 3 years from now, it's going to cost na $5.17. Ayan. So, there are 12 million circulating supply and the maximum supply of the token is 100 million. Ayan. So, as of the moment, ayan, this is the current price, 92.51 according sa CoinGecko. And there is already market cap of 1,105,000. So, ilan lang ba yung starting nila, market cap nila? Nasa 8 million pa lang that time. Ngayon, nag-1 billion na siya. And then circulating supply, they already have 11 million in the market. And during this time, magkano ba yung circulating supply nila this time? Okay, wala siya. Anyway, so yan, no? And then, yung kanyang 24-hour trading volume is already 239 million. And dito, nasa 493,000 pa lang siya. So, it's really more than 50% no, yung tinaas ng demand ng token. Okay, so, I have here a blog no, about where do cryptocurrencies get their value. So, bakit naman nagmahal yung Dpet token? Bakit biglaan, no? And so, there are actually factors no, that affect the value of the coin. Ayan. So, first is coin's utility. So, gaano ba ka-useful yung utility? Yung utility yung coin. So, yung Dpet token, of course, ginagamit kasi natin siya sa game, no? It is the in-game currency wherein we can do a lot of things like breeding, evolving pets, buying eggs, and even cracking the egg, no, that you just bred. Ayan. Wait, hindi pala. BNB pala yung for cracking. Anyway, so you know, you can use the Dpet token for breeding, evolving, and buying eggs. So, because of that, kailangan talaga ng every gamer or every user or every pet master ng Dpet token, no, para mas ma-enjoy niya yung features ng game. Ayan. So there is utility of the token. Kaya maraming bumibili. And there are a lot of users already, so they have to really buy Dpet tokens. And then scarcity of the crypto. Ayan. So para siyang demand and supply. Kapag kasi mas marami yung demand kaysa sa supply, tataas talaga yung value ng isang commodity, no? So this one, coin tayo. Ayan. So kapag mas marami yung demand, konti lang yung supply ng coin, there is really a high probability. Hindi lang siya probability. There is talagang tataas yung kanyang price, tataas yung kanyang value. And then, baliktad naman siya na if ever maraming supply pero konti lang yung demand, ayun, talagang mumura yung coin. So, itong si Dpet, kasi ngayon dumadami na yung users, no? More than 50% na yung tinaas ng rate ng users. And because of that, of course, every user will have to buy, will have to avail Dpet tokens. And because of that, talagang magkakaroon ng demand yung coin. And because of that, tataas din yung price niya. Tataas yung value niya sa market. Ayan. And also the perceived value of the project. Ayan. Another reason, no, bakit tumataas yung value ng isang crypto coin. Ayan. So projects that keep developing, achieving one milestone after another, establishing lucrative partnerships, or launching user-friendly software becomes more valuable in the eyes of the market. And all of these are indicators largely contributing to the positive sentiment around the project and affecting the value of its cryptocurrency. Ayan, no, kapag active yung isang software, yan, and meron siyang innovation, development, may progress talaga yung project, and talagang magiging valuable siya sa market. Ayan. So, that's it, no? Actually, ano lang siya, law of supply and demand sa economics. Ayan. If you're familiar with economics. So, ganun lang siya, no? That's the reason bakit lumalaki yung value ngayon ni Dpet token. Kasi, mataas na yung demand niya. Same with the Axie, actually. Si Axie, it was released 2018, no? And because of the demand nowadays, talagang nagmahal siya. The last time I checked, no? The first time I checked about Axie, pwede ka pang makabili ng worth 5,000 pet. And then ngayon, umaabot na ng 50,000, 90,000. So imagine, di ba, how it just exploded into that kind of amount. So, ngayon, ito naman si Dpet token, bigla rin siyang nagmahal, no? In just a span of days talaga. Talagang tumaas, more than 50% yung tinaas ng kanyang price. And that's because of the users, no? So the future of the game, the future of the token, ayan, depends, no, on the market. Depends on how the market would embrace the coin, and depends also how long the market would embrace it. Ayan, so nakadepende talaga siya sa market, yung value niya, and its ano yan, yung life niya sa market. Ayan. Tsaka sa cryptocurrency, may tumataas, bumababa yung price, no? Hindi naman siya maiiwasan talaga. So you really have to check yung yung chart, no? Kung kailan kaya siya mumura. Ayan. So let's take note of the prices, no? Na I've mentioned a while ago. And also, guys, I would like to share with you the roadmap, no, of the game. Ayan, so nagkaroon sila ng pre-launch noong March, April, March and April. Ayan, more on first, noong March, nagkaroon sila ng fundraise. Ayan, this was a private round. On April 27, nagkaroon sila ng fundraise. This is a public sale, tutorial, community development. On April 30, they already had the core features. So, may collect, feed, and pet evolution. So, yan yung nangyari sa game. And then beta release, launching event sa May. No? And then operation, July, core features, breeding, which we can now enjoy in the game. No? And then by August, and they're planning to do the to launch na the marketplace, no? Ayan, so isang months na lang magkakaroon na ng marketplace. And then sa quarter 3 and 4, ayan, last months of the year, magkakaroon na ng play to earn features. Ayan. And this is one of the things that we are really looking forward, no? Ayan, so let's just hope for the best now of this game. And when it comes to the price of the token, you can take note of the prices I have mentioned a while ago. And ano lang, uh, I hope no, na nakatulong yung aking update today regarding the Dpet token. So if you have the time and yeah, if you have the time, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next videos. Bye!